Alright, so how you guys doing? How you doing? I just wanted to show you guys how I got the my Lichess dev environment going on Fedora. So I'm not gonna redo it all over because I'm lazy, but here's how I did it anyways. So you can so you go to Docker Desktop. I just installed Docker Desktop. You can do it from the command line if you're a masochist. And then you would so then you need to go over to Lichess Development, and you need to there's a give me 1 second. I'll find it. I'll be right back. Alright, so yeah, so I'll include this. I'll include this in the description. You create the docker.compose.yaml of with this, and then you use this to spin up the Redis and Mongo, and then you'll need to download Corsair. So I think there's some instruction on the GitHub for the Lichess, but basically you just run this file, this command, and she made that, and then you run CS, and it's pretty easy. And then you need to run this to create the indexes for the database, and this is the command you run if you're using a Docker-based Mongo. So you run that, and then you can see it and whatnot. And then when you enter the Mongo instance, you would do this. And then when you're inside of the Mongo instance, you will cd into the. This is also based on the directory structure that I have, which is So I created a Lichess development or a Lichess folder, and then I put lila and lila web service, and this is where I ran the Docker Compose. So you need to run the Docker Compose from this this place that lila has the Docker database. The Mongo has access to the into all of the folders in this through the shared folder. So I'll just demonstrate what that looks like. Yeah. This you run this, and now you're inside the Docker container. You ls, and then you ls, and then you go to the host. Of course, tab completion doesn't work, and I'm dependent on that because I'm like that. So then from here, you can see this folder on the host is inside of this, and then you can use this to populate the database and run lila. And this is how you would set up if you want to use a containerized Docker and Redis. And if you the Docker Compose. But yeah, if you create your directory structure like this, no, VIA is not fine. It's fine. You can access the necessary stuff from within your Mongo, and you do not have to have Mongo locally installed. And if and when you're in here to populate the database, that's where I have the lila database seed. So you just cd into lila. And then you just Mongo restore the dump using this command. You cd there, and then you Mongo restore dump to have the base level database necessary for just basically having it. If you want to have more stuff, you can follow the wiki and the dev onboarding stuff. But this is how that's done. And then so yeah, if to recap, you would need to have the Docker compose YAML, and then you need to basically it's you can figure out how to use Docker and compose, because I'm retarded, so it's but yes. And yeah, but I have my directory set up like this, and as long as you have the leak test and with all of these things underneath it, and you put the Docker compose YAML in here, then it would should work out fine for you. Also, make sure you install Java 21 Devel or OpenJDK whatever Devel, because you need the Java compiler, the Java runtime, which is like it's OpenJDK. So I thought it's Java development kit. It must include the compiler, but it doesn't, and that caused me a bunch of headaches. All right.